Check it out, Tim. So we had a great idea. Let's do a spoof video. We saw this amazing sign and said, let's make it really, really funny.
Patrick had this great idea and I thought it would be a lot of fun. But what came to my head was, ideas have a way of changing.
Let's pretend to make the Hurricane Valley actually have a hurricane with real wind and water. And so we had a great idea to have Tim sprinkle a little bit of water on my face. Welcome to...
So this fool thinks I'm gonna just sprinkle some water in his face, just so that the whole hurricane thing makes sense. Well, I got a better idea.
Hurricane Valley.
Oh!